Hi everyone, this is a review of my Apple Airtag. As you can see, these are actually a little bit bigger in person than I thought when I first saw them get released. These are maybe the size of somewhere between $1.25 and $1/2. They are a little bit thicker than I expected too, as you can see here. I want to say maybe 3 to 4 millimeters thick. The form factor is definitely really nice. Not too much branding on here, just one Apple logo on the metal bottom over here. Easy to change battery, built-in speaker. Tons and tons of different ways to accessorize with this, different leather accessories, key bands, and so on and so forth, even things that put them in your wallet. I personally keep one in my backpack and one in my car, so you just keep in track and make sure everything's accounted for at all times. Also, as I did mention, have a built-in speaker, and if you do have an iPhone, I want to say 12 or above, you do get precision tracking, which is your phone will guide you within the foot to exactly where your AirTag is. So if you lost your key in the couch cushion, you can find it really easily. Thanks for listening.